How to fix app icons not turning dark in iOS 18 dark mode. So there is a new feature in iOS 18, so I'll teach you guys about that. Now let's get started. So to change all your apps icon to dark, what you need to do is you need to customize it. Now to do that, just long press on any apps, and after you do so, on the top right you will see edit option, top left, my bad, and tap on edit right there and tap on customize. So there you can see, now you can customize your icons too. Now if you tap on dark, it gets dark right there. You can set it to automatic too, or you can even make it tinted. Now you can change its colors to right here like this, and yeah, you can do that too. You can even change your icons to large or small. Now as you can see, on large you won't be able to see the names of the app, so just choose whatever you like, and after you do so, you're good to go. So there you go. Now you have your dark mode. Now it might take some time for some apps to completely change. So yeah, this is basically it, guys. That is how you do it. Thanks for watching.